Welcome back to Dropping Classes Part 3. Who knew that my engineering professor advice would start to become a series? My name is Carlotta Berry. I'm an award-winning engineering professor of 20 years. I'm also a mentor, a role model, and an author. Children's books, romance novels, and obviously technical textbooks like Mobile Robotics for Multidisciplinary Study and Mitigating Bias in Machine Learning. But I'm not here to talk about that today. Let's talk about dropping classes. So part 1 was all about don't keep dropping classes because you're not getting A. Part 2 was about you might want to consider dropping a class when your professor asks you to. Part 3 is, and I know this because I'm an academic advisor and I have to sign off when my students drop classes, don't drop a class without going to talk to the professor. Yes, this happens. The student's like, I'm not doing well, I'm going to drop. Have you talked to the professor? Have you been to tutoring? Have you joined a study group? No, no, and no. I'm not signing that. Go talk to your professor. Sometimes your professor will be willing to work with you. They might give you some extra credit. They might give you some advice. They may tell you you're not doing quite as bad as you think you are. So part 3 is go and discuss your grades in the class with the professor before you just pull the trigger and drop. I hope this helps, and I think this is the last part of the Dropping Classes Engineering Professor Advice series. But who knows? Let's see. And stay STEM-tastic, STEM awesome, STEM fabulous, STEM wonderful.